Hi guys, I'm Kichi from Amekaji Base. For this video, I will talk about what is Amekaji, brief history of Amekaji, and Amekaji style, because there are several kinds of the Amekaji style. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so first, what is Amekaji? Amekaji is the term, abbreviation of American casual, because Japanese people say American Kajuaru. In short, Amekaji. That's the Amekaji. Amekaji is the Japanese interpretation of American casual fashion style, because around 1960s, when Japanese people see the photo of American people, they felt, wow, sana all, I wanna be like them. Especially when they see the IB students. You know the IB is the East Coast of US, very famous university and college. So for example, the Harvard, for example, the EA, like this, the university students wearing blazer, chino, and loafer. That's the beginning of the Amekaji. And the next, 1970s. Back to the 1970s, many people are against the war, against the society, against the government. At this time, it was trending the hippie style. Okay, so what's the hippie style? I show you. For example, this one. Like the piece, right? And then the like embroidery, and then they really love the US. Something like this. Me also, I'm wearing today the chambray shirt, like 1970s. And then they wear the bell bottom, like now is the trending the flare pants, right? So I just show the photo here. This kind of the style they wear at that time. Even Japanese imitate like this at this time, the 1970s. Finally, the jeans, the denim, became the common as fashion style. So for example, this one. That's the 1970s, the Levi's 66 model. As you can see, before denim was so straight, but this one is very slim. Finally, the denim became the fashion at that time. Okay, the next, 1980s. 1980s, finally, Amekaji style became the trend and popular and famous in Japan. It's the first street culture. Actually, Amekaji is the first street culture because people in Shibuya, they wear Amekaji style and they walk in the street in Shibuya. And then Amekaji became famous in Japan. That's the beginning. When my father was young, he said that I'm wearing Made in USA Hanes t-shirt. And Levi's also, 501, made in USA. And Converse, made in USA also. Because at that time, all made in USA. So they wear something like this. So, and then my father said, you know, you guys familiar with selvage? Something like that. If there is no the selvage, like this, my father thought it's fake. Because mid of the 1980s, Levi's made the selvage denim. But after that, no more selvage. So that's why when my father see the Levi's non-selvage, he thought it's fake. Because at that time, we don't have much information, right? So that's why my father said, why Levi's no selvage right now? Oh, I said, that's normal because until mid of 80s, it was produced the selvage denim of Levi's. Oh, I see. I thought all Levi's denim has the selvage. I was so shocked. But that's the 1980s. And then 1990s, Amekaji is stable at that time in Japan. So, and then many people wear the Amekaji. It became the common style for the Japanese. And back to the 1990s, the Amekaji was expanded into different kinds of the style. I will show you what kind of Amekaji style there is. The first, I will show you the IB or preppy style. Earlier, I have mentioned that Mayamang kids, for example, like this, the chino, that's the Ralph Lauren. This very common brand in the preppy and Ivy style, Ralph Lauren is. I just put the photo here. Preppy style is like this, wearing navy blazer, button-down shirts, wearing the ties, and wearing chino, and wearing the loafer. That's the common style of the Ivy or preppy style. Okay, next, military style. What is the military style? It's like the outfit with military item, especially like the U.S. military did wear before. For example, the chino pant. Now is very common. You see, when you go around in Manila, many people wear the chino pant. But chino pant is coming from the military. Like for example, like this. The beginning of the chino pant was the very white. And then when they go to the war, it became so dirty, right? So that's why they put some tea and some spices, and then it became like this color, the khaki. That's the beginning of the chino pant. And others. I think many people have seen already this pattern, this camouflage. So this one is, we call it Utlan camo. That one also coming from military. And for example, this one. If you like the streetwear, I think you guys are familiar already. For example, Supreme, for example, Nike, they use this pattern also into the sneaker. We call it the choco chip camo. If you guys are already into Amekaji, definitely you guys already see this. So jungle fatigue jacket. During the Vietnam War, 1970s, they used this. Example of the military style is like this. Woody Allen. He's very famous for the military style, especially in Japan. Very famous. Our iconic actor of Amekaji style. Okay, next is the biker style. So the biker style is people who like the motorcycle. They wearing the leather jacket and heavy denim and boots. Easy to know, you check the Kuya Kim style like this. That's the very biker style. And in Japan, nowadays it's very common to wear it. The dikis. So like this, painter pant. They wear the painter pant and they wear the Hardy tee. So as you can see, you see many bikers here. That's a common style in Japan. Okay, the next, the surf style. Surf style is like inspired by the West Coast, the surfers in the US. That's the surf style. For example, the Aloha shirt. And then people wear the light color denim and wearing like sandal. That's the surf style. I just put example here. As you can see, he's wearing Aloha shirts and damaged jeans and Birkenstock. Next, workwear style. What's the workwear style is like people who work in miners, in the railway, engineer. Those people wear that before. This kind of the style, we call it the workwear style. For example, work style is Levi's 501. Because the Levi's jeans was made for the miners. I just put the photo here. Like them, wearing the chambray shirts and then the denim. That's the beginning of the workwear. Levi's 501 is the best choice for the workwear style. And then, like this, we call it chair jacket. That one also famous for the workwear. The brand is Oshkosh. Nowadays, Carhartt is very famous and very hype, even in the Philippines, right? Now, Carhartt also part of the workwear style. I just explained several kinds of the Amekaji style, but I was not able to introduce you all of the Amekaji style yet. So dami, no? But because me also sometimes mix with the Euro workwear, and then sometimes wearing Japanese brand. Yeah, nowadays so mix Amekaji style, so mix with several style. So I cannot explain all for this video. Anyway, there are several kinds of the Amekaji style. You just try first. Even you go to Uniqlo, even you go to Muji, there are Amekaji style the jacket, Amekaji style pants. So you can try it first, and you just challenge it. So at this time, you can find what is the suit the Amekaji style for you. There is no answers for Amekaji style. So you can just try it and challenge it. That's the most important part. That's all for today's video. See you at next video or see you here at Amekaji Base. Bye!